Now, we're back with Denholm. This is week 2 because technically it should have been the next day. It'll be the next day to you, but it won't be the next day because it's actually a week later. But I don't know because I don't know when the video is going to be coming out. Could be another week after. So you know what I mean? It's kind of funny. But anyway, this is where we are at the moment. So we've finished everything off. Well, I didn't finish anything off. Denholm finished it off, and now he's got to sand down the actual tubing itself. And he's got. Yeah, I was just going to talk about your mistakes. So he's had quite a few mistakes, but not too many. Yeah, a couple of these, like getting it so it's like near enough. He's happy how his water cooling build looks at the moment for the first go. Second time, he might want to change it. I don't know. It's entirely up to him. But it's not as easy as you thought, was it then?
No, but all learning.
No, I'm only joking. Like, at the end of the day, you have to learn and you have to make mistakes to be able to be more professional at something else. Yeah. Or at the job that you're doing. But anyway,
I'm pleased we got the result. Everything's looking good. I like the angles on it. Everything's good fit. Just the sanding part and then testing if it leaks.
But this is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be sanding inside and out of like the tubing, instead of using what's that thing called? I can't remember what it's called. Like a
deburrer.
Deburrer thing for acrylic. But we're not using that. We're using obviously a machine. That's a what's it called? A Dremel.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to have it at a certain speed and sand it down nicely, not too much where you lose kind of the distance where it needs to go into the compression fitting. It makes it shorter then, wouldn't it? So we're going to sand it down, clean it and all that sort of stuff, make sure it's nicely fitted, and then put the compression fittings on and then run water through it, not like tap water, but obviously special water, coolant that goes into the system, and see how it gets on. Now if there's no bits that are in there and all of that after the 12 hours, then we could just probably add the, well, it depends, because I don't know, you want to go for purple. He likes purple. I love purple. 2 different purples we can go for. We could have like a pastel-y purple, or which would be quite strong still, or we can have a transparent purple, where you can see the water and the purple like coolant going around. But this guy's a bit crazy because it doesn't go, but he says it does. So let's stand out there. I don't think anyone's done that before. So let's just do it. I think we should do it. But anyway, cable's going to be out and messy at the moment because we need to test it, make sure it's all good. He's not a professional builder or anything like that. And I don't really want to take heed and start doing majority of stuff. It's meant to be all Denholm. In case the thing is, people get it wrong. If I build the computer, if anything goes wrong, he has to bring it back. Now, if he's built it himself, at least he's got familiarised yourself. Familiarised himself with what could be leaking and how we can object to it and like sort it out straight away. Or like speak to him on the phone and say, look, I've got a leak going on, what do I need to do real quick? And he can be hands-on, he won't be scared to do it. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, so basically, where were we? Yeah, he has to file it all down, wash it, and then have the coolant running through it. And you're a happy man at the moment because the best bit is like kind of now. This is the better bit of the video for you lot up there. So we're just gonna stop talking and now, well, unless you want to say a few words. You want to say a few words?
No, we're all good.
It might be that way.
No. Start sounding, it's gonna be fine.
Right, okay, so let's go.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
was kidding myself. Now I know you don't love me, even though you said that you'd never leave me. Oh, but I know now I should shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself, why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your eyes. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. You weren't always like this. Don't know what happened to you. Put my trust in you. Guess that I couldn't do that. Oh, but I know now. Shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your rain. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. You left me here all alone without saying goodbye. Tell me, 'cause I wanna know. Oh, just please tell me why. Why did you have to turn into a liar? You had my heart in your rain. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Into a liar. Into a liar. I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed,
give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try, I don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do, the one who saves me. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. You promised me to tell if there's anything haunting you. You leave without saying where you're going or where to. Should I worry that you won't come back? Should I worry that you will forget? My sense is telling me I shouldn't worry, you know the truth. Ooh, yeah. I can never take away our story now. And I know you feel it too, our story, it's too precious now. Yeah. I can never take away our story now. We've come too far to waste our story, it's our story now.
Let's go.
Never take away our story We've come too far to waste our story.
So Denholm's going a little bit crazy. He's got burnt orange and white and black. Now he wants to go with Mayhem's Cordon Aurora, which is an Aurora silver, and it looks nice with the particles moving around anyway. He wants to put that in there. So we've got a mix this as well, which is H2O by Mayhem's Cordon as well. And then he wants to have purple of all colours in this. He's crazy, but rock on. So we got purple dye, but he's not stopping there. He wants to add a bit of UV pink as well, because obviously there's no UV purple. And what's that?
Brighten it up a bit.
Brighten it up a bit. Right, okay. Right, so what we're going to do is get the silver in the system, and then we're going to put droplets in the system so it just mixes as it goes around in the loop. But we're just getting the silver in there first at the moment, and we're going to use this little cipher. Is it cipher? Siphon, little tube in to get the silver ore in there.
Right.
To be honest with you, it just looks clear to me. It stinks as well. Doesn't look silver. Oh yes it does. Oh yes it does, it looks silver.
Right, we want to go midway.
Yeah.
We've come too far to waste our story, it's our story now.
A litre?
Oh, sorry, half a
Half a
litre.
litre?
Yeah.
Right, go ahead.
You sound a bit Australian there.
Couldn't give a castle for X for anything else. Yeah, you take that. Good day, mate. From sunny side England. Outside it's nice and snowy out there. I see a couple of wallabies outside as well, you know.
Look at that.
Ooh, that looks cool.
Alright,
It's proper swirling in there, isn't it?
so,
So we've got half a litre. That's what we're doing at the start. So we're going to pour this into the system, and if we need more, it makes more sense that we can just do the same measurements again. If we put the dye in there now, we're going to have to work out about we're going to have to work out how much to put in, which will be awesome. Well, not be awesome. Right, so oh yeah, you got to hold this. Yeah.
yeah.
This is the plot here. Right, so we're going to stick this. Is the tap open?
Oh, I think that's shut. Is that
right.
That's it.
So we open the tapper, we're sticking it in there. Denholm's going to hold the tube in. I'm going to hold it from the back, so you lot can sit into a more close of
Fill up
action.
the res first, yeah.
Yeah. Right, I want everyone to see this at home.
Silver's going in.
Alright, let's go.
Can't see. It's alright, it's working this way, it's working this way.
It just looks clear to me.
It's not.
It looks clear.
Is it going in?
It's going in. It's filling up. Right, stop. Because you fill it up anymore. You got it on there. Just,
Yeah.
Right, so
Right,
put
I'll
your
let
finger
that-
on there because I need to get a cable. Because I need to work the system, don't I? Right, you got that, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, I'll be back. Right, one sec.